Manhattan Project, July 16, 1945. The first atomic bomb test lights up the New Mexico desert. It worked, and now it was ready to be used. August 6, 1945. At 2:45 a.m., a B-29 bomber named Enola Gay.
So the video you just watched, everything in it, from the visual effects, sound effects, animations to the background music, was created using one of the most advanced AI video tools available today. And I'm sure you've noticed that documentary-style videos like these often get millions of views. Not just that, creators are making thousands of dollars from them. What makes this niche so special is that it's evergreen. Even 50 years from now, these types of videos will continue getting views consistently. And here's something even more exciting. This niche doesn't just work on YouTube. These videos go viral on Facebook as well, which means, yes, you can earn thousands of dollars from both platforms. Now, once you watch this video till the end, you'll be able to create these kinds of documentary videos too. Fully monetizable, 100% legit. So let's dive in and see how you can do it. Step 1. First of all, create a YouTube channel. Make sure the name of your channel clearly represents your content and niche. Don't go with a random name just for the sake of it. Trust me, this can hurt your branding later on. Pick something that makes sense and feels right for the kind of videos you're planning to make. Step 2. Video ideas. Before creating your channel, it's smart to plan your first 20 video ideas. This keeps you focused and avoids getting stuck later. Basically, don't start the channel first. Start with ideas. There are many ways to find great topics, but I personally use two powerful methods. Method 1. YouTube search bar. Just open YouTube and start typing something related to your niche, like World War II or History of Egypt. You'll see search suggestions pop up. And these are based on what people are actually searching for right now. Each of these can be a video idea. Click 1, look at the top 5 videos, see their views, how recent they are, and what angle they took. If they're getting millions of views, that's your green signal. All right, before we jump into method 2, which is one of my personal favorites, let me quickly show you something I've been using that's helped me stay super organized when researching video ideas and scripts. You know those days when you're jumping between meetings, conversations, and ideas, and later you can't remember half of what was said? That used to happen to me all the time. But then I started using Limitless. It's an AI-powered pendant that records everything I say and hear and syncs it to an app on my phone. The app automatically transcribes, summarizes, and organizes all that info into what they call a life log. So now I can literally ask it, what did the doctor say? Prep me for my product demo, or even make a to-do list from today's calls. It gives me exactly what I need, instantly. No more note-taking or trying to remember things later. It's like having a second brain that actually listens. If you're someone who wants to stay focused and still remember everything that matters, this might be the smartest thing you'll ever wear. So check it out from the link in the description. All right, now let's get into method 2. Method 2, ChatGPT. This one's my personal favorite, and honestly, it's a game changer. ChatGPT isn't just for writing scripts. If you know how to prompt it right, it can give you a bunch of unique, viral video ideas in seconds. Here's what you do. Open ChatGPT and type this prompt. Give me 20 viral YouTube documentary video ideas based on real historical events. Each idea should be specific, curiosity-driven, and emotionally engaging. Include examples like World War I, India versus China War, etc. Then hit enter. In seconds, you'll get a list of ideas that are actually interesting, not generic. These are topics that make people stop scrolling and click. Once you find an idea that clicks with you, take it a step further. Now type. Expand this idea into a YouTube video outline with a hook, intro, main points, and a strong ending. Paste your chosen title and hit enter. And just like that, ChatGPT will give you a complete video structure. You'll know exactly how to open your video, what to cover in the middle, and how to end it powerfully. This saves tons of time and gives your video a clear direction. Bonus tip, want to stand out from the crowd? Ask ChatGPT. Suggest untold or lesser-known historical stories that haven't been widely covered on YouTube. This will help you find low-competition topics that still spark massive curiosity, which means more views and faster growth. All right, now let's move on to writing the script. For example, let's say I want a script for this particular title. All I need to do is type in a unique prompt like, act as a scriptwriter and write a documentary-style script of 2,000 to 2,500 words on this topic. Cover all the important points properly. Then just paste your title and hit enter. And boom! Within seconds, ChatGPT will generate the full script for you. I honestly think it's just perfect for a 5-6 minute video. Now, if you feel that the script isn't long enough for your video, maybe you're aiming for 6 to 7 minutes, you can simply ask ChatGPT, this script is not enough for a 6 to 7 minute video. And it'll instantly generate a longer, more detailed version of the same script. Super handy, right? I hope you're feeling a bit more confident now. All right then, in this way, you can create both long-form and short-form scripts on any topic you want. So yeah, if you're really serious about making unique, binge-worthy documentary videos, then ChatGPT is like your personal research assistant. Use it smartly. Now let's say we've got unlimited video ideas ready. That's great. The next step is actually pretty exciting and a little bit surprising. We're moving on to video creation. Trust me, what I'm about to show you here, no one else is probably going to tell you this. So watch this part very carefully, all right? To generate the video, I'm going to use a special tool, and you'll find the link to it right below in the description. And listen carefully. This isn't just a regular link. The moment you click on it, you'll instantly get a 20% discount. So if you're planning to try out this tool, make sure you sign up using the link provided below, okay? So this tool is actually one of the most advanced AI video generators out there. It's capable of creating all kinds of complex videos. Seriously, it's powerful. Inside this tool, you'll get access to top AI models like VO3, Kling AI, Luma, Pika, and Minimax, all of which are known for generating ultra-realistic videos. All you have to do is sign up for the platform, and once you're in, you'll see a clean, simple, and user-friendly dashboard, just like this. As you can see here, I've already created a few videos using it. All right, so the cool thing is, you get 2 different ways to generate videos on this platform. In the first option, you can create a video directly from a script. And in the second option, you can build a video from scratch, however you like. But honestly, if you're a beginner, I'd highly recommend going with the first option. It's much easier and way more effective. Okay, so let's go ahead and create a video using a script. I'll just click here. And this right here is the video generation dashboard. Super user-friendly and smooth to use. The first thing you'll notice is an AI assistant built right into it. This assistant helps you create better videos, write scripts, and even improve your prompts. So yeah, if you want, you can even generate your entire script right here in this tool. I've already used it a few times to write scripts, and honestly, I was really impressed. It does a pretty good job, but right now, since I already have my script ready, we'll go ahead and use that. So let's paste the script in here. But wait, there's a small trick here. You shouldn't just blindly copy and paste the script. If you want your video to be high quality, with more scenes and variety so that viewers don't get bored, then you need to format your script in a specific way. Doing this helps the AI understand your prompt better and gives you much more impressive results. All right, so go ahead and copy this special prompt, then head over to ChatGPT and paste it there. You'll see how ChatGPT instantly converts your regular script into this proper, structured format. Now just copy that updated version and paste it right here into the tool. Perfect. Next, I scroll down a bit, and here we have the option to choose a visual style for the video. You'll see some ready-made style presets here that you can easily apply. But the reason I really like this tool is because it also lets you create your own custom style. Yup, you just need to type your own prompt, and the tool will generate a custom preset just for you. That's a pretty amazing feature, honestly. But for now, I'm not going to create a new preset because there's already a historical preset available here. And since I'm making a documentary video, I'll go ahead and apply that one. After that comes the media type selection. Here, you'll need to choose whether you want to use AI-generated video, AI image, or stock footage. Of course, I'm going to select AI video, and I'll also enable world text along with it. Just keep in mind though, AI videos use more credits compared to AI images. All right, now I'll skip the characters and product sections and jump straight to the duration. I'm going to set the video duration to 3 minutes. After that, make sure to set the orientation to landscape. By the way, you can also create short-form content using the exact same method. No extra steps. Next up is the voiceover. I'm going to select this particular voiceover. It sounds just right for the tone of the video. Then comes captions. There are lots of different caption styles available here, so I'll just pick this one. Looks clean and professional. All right, now it's time for background music. This part is fun. You simply type a prompt describing the kind of music you want, and the tool will generate it for you. So I'm going to type a short prompt here. After that, make sure to enable the sound effects. The AI will automatically generate and apply sound effects at the right moments in your video. That really helps bring everything to life. So now all the settings are applied. And if you want to reuse this exact style for your future videos, you can save the whole setup as a template right from here, which is super handy and saves time later. Pretty cool, right? Once everything is set, just go ahead and click the button to generate the video. Oh, and don't forget to check how many credits will be used. For me, it's showing 561 credits. Okay, so now the video is being generated, and it'll take about 5 to 10 minutes. Once it's ready, you'll get a notification on your email as well. All right, so guys, as you can see, the video has been generated successfully. Let's take a look. I'll just show you a quick preview for now. And wow, you can already tell how amazing the final output is. Honestly, the video looks so good that there's not much that needs to be changed. But hey, if you do want to make a few tweaks, like adding extra sound effects or switching up the background music, you can easily do that too. Just click on the edit button and it'll open up a new editing dashboard. From here, you can re-edit pretty much everything. First of all, you'll see all the AI-generated visuals displayed right here. And just look at how many visuals have been created. Plus, the color consistency across the video is spot on. Now, if you want to add new visuals, you can either drag and drop them directly into the timeline or just enter a new prompt to generate fresh visuals. In just a few seconds, new scenes will be added to your video. Okay, now this is the timeline view, where you can manage the voiceover, music, and sound effects. For example, if you want to change the background music, just head to the music section, type your prompt here, and you'll get a fresh background track generated live for you. And by the way, even the music that's currently added was generated by AI. And let me tell you, the quality is top-notch. In the same way, you can also update the voiceover. You'll see all the voiceovers listed here, already split according to the visuals, super organized. And honestly, I'm really surprised by how carefully this AI handled the entire process, matching visuals with voiceovers so smoothly. It's mind-blowing. Now, if you want to generate new sound effects, just go to the sound effects section and type in your prompt. In just 1 second, it'll generate a high-quality sound effect for you. And the best part? You can create unlimited sound effects for free. No credits needed at all. So now I can simply drag and drop these sound effects into the perfect spot on the timeline. For example, let's say there's an explosion in one of the visuals. I'll simply generate an explosion sound effect and drag and drop it right onto that scene. Let's play it back.
Was nearing completion. The Manhattan Project, July 16th, 1945.
Perfect. Now here's another scene with fire and smoke. Again, I'll create a matching sound effect and place it exactly where it fits. Since the sound effect is short, I'll just copy and paste it to loop smoothly.
80% of Hiroshima is destroyed.
And yep, it sounds spot on. Similarly, for another scene where the plane is ready to take off, I'll generate a takeoff sound effect and drag and drop it there too.
At 2:45 a.m., a B-29 bomber named Enola Gay.
This is how you can create any kind of sound effect you need, completely free and with super high quality. Now, if you also want to customize the captions, you can easily do that too. Just go to the captions section, and here you'll find almost all the text and color controls you need. So you can adjust the captions just the way you like, whether it's the font, size, position, or color. Once your entire editing is done, the last step is to download your video. Just click the download button. The video will regenerate first, and then you'll be able to download the final version. Alright, now since I already showed you the final video at the beginning of this tutorial, I won't be showing it again here, but if you still want to watch it, you can find it on my Telegram channel. Feel free to check it out there, okay? So yeah, this is exactly how you can create these amazing documentary-style videos using AI. Now, let's quickly talk about the pricing of this tool. You can start your journey for just $14 per month, and with that, you'll get a total of 1,800 credits. But here's the good part. If you sign up using the special link I've shared below, you'll get an extra 20% discount instantly. And yes, this discount applies to all the plans. That said, if you're planning to upload more videos regularly, I'd recommend going for the creator or director plan. With these, you won't run out of credits and can produce as many videos as you like. And remember, more videos means more views, and more views can mean more money. So it's totally up to you. Choose the plan that suits you best. The link and discount code are available in the description below. Alright, so that was the complete tutorial. I really hope you found it helpful and enjoyed watching it. If yes, then you already know what to do. And hey, if you're someone looking to boost your memory and productivity, don't forget to check out Limitless AI.